How to make mango juice. Ingredients: water, mango, sugar, ice cube, condensed milk.
Steps: first peel the mango skin. And then cut the mango into pieces.
Prepare all the ingredients.
Put all the ingredients in a blender.
And then close the blender, then turn on the blender and wait a few minutes until smooth.
Turn off the blender. Then pour the juice into the glass. And put the straw into the glass.
Mango juice is ready to serve.
Thank you. Hope you like this video.